Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to react on a video, the trending video of Vision 555. You know, when Nkere called them to join them and all this, I don't want to, say much about him. And when 247 revealed what he told him about having an intel that Nkere promised him or revealed to him his intention that he wants to be prime minister, he wants to take over from PM. I don't want to say much about it because I know that 247 knows what he was saying. I believe him. I was waiting for this guy to come out to debunk it. He did not debunk it. I was trying to listen to some of that video from his own platform. I noticed that he was busy talking about Kelena TV. I don't want to say much about it. The only place that made me to come up with this reaction is the part where he revealed that memo had been served that CRC, that is a conflict resolution committee, told them that anybody that want to be leader should apply, submit your file and all that. Back then in November 2020, in 23rd of November 2024, meaning that a few days after PM disappearance, they have started planning on how to put another person, somebody that will take over. Surprise, surprise. These people have told us that one of the reasons why they kick against COS is that she want to dissolve the cabinet too sudden. That it was too sudden. Nobody should touch structure of PM. Most of you on my comment telling me, oh, you are this, you are that. They bought you over there. What is your faith? Hearing those things now. So it is obvious they are lying to you. They have been planning on how to put and replace PM even before PM disappeared. That revelation from 247 stated that this guy, Nkere, told Vision 555 he want to replace PM before PM disappeared. Before he go in for questioning and all that. Those things these are things you need to start connecting and tell yourself the truth. Because you cannot jump from COS, dissolve the cabinet, too soon. She dissolved it too soon. Then that nobody should touch structure of PM. But you have started working on how to touch the structure before anything, before even the convention date. Because convention started when? 29th. And this thing happened 23rd. PM stopped posting around 18th to 19th, thereabout. Few days, they have started planning on how to replace him. Connected with the New Year message of Nkere that PM and Mass have done their part. He left for him and you people to continue from where he stopped. When you begin to pay attention to connect all those things, then you have no other choice than to start questioning them about what happened to PM. Not even why they choose to do what they're doing, but who is responsible of PM disappearance. I'm not saying that anybody is responsible, but you have to put the question. Because for them, everything shows that it is deliberate. It is totally deliberate because they know what they foresee this day. They were planning for this day. Lucky enough, COS resisted them with everything. You see, when we say what you say, it's not because we know more than you, but maybe we pay more attention than you do. That could be the difference, because if you don't have time to connect these dots, then you should have time to listen to those who manage to connect it for you. Do you understand? Now, let me see if I can play this voice note.
Go and look for me in order for us to have more voice. Just like you can passing the message of PM.
No, I want to make sure, because I may not have the time to analyze all these things. I wanted to stream live, but on the second thought, I know that I may not have enough time that required to touch all those things. So I have to record this video. I may stream live later with this video. I'm not sure, because there's a lot of things to touch. So I'm tired. I've just came back. But let me see.
He is receiving 400. I wrote to 247 this message. Up to today, 247 has not responded. Who's online? We are not what I told you. And you want us to go online to start saga.
I am not interested about your saga. I just want to pick that point, that place that how you refuse to answer the question. Okay, before then, let us just talk about the so-called, because he's trying to debunk the so-called debunking of what 247 said. 247 said that you told him that you, Nkere, okay, in confidence, told you that he want to replace PM. You kept it. All right? Then you discuss it with 247. 247 noticing, seeing what you are doing now and what Nkere had turned to be. He decided to remind you of what you told him. That you told him that Nkere said to you he wanted to replace PM. Even before PM went, go in for the questioning. Before he went in for questioning, you have already informed 247 this. Here you are trying to debunk it, but you have not refused to say that he did not, that thing that he said is a lie. Instead, what you focus on, what did you do? You only focus on talking about other things, like who pay your flight ticket to Finland, that you are biting the finger that fed you. Answer the question. Answer the question. It's even today that I know that somebody told me, okay, that account officer in Africa, in Nigeria, have given his own updates, like give account details and everything, how they spend money, how much they generate and everything, financial reports. That one have done that his own. Mandate account, the person in charge have actually the person have done the same thing. The only person that refused to give financial report is Nkere until this day. Then if you see Kwoku and I feel like why must you talk? Why must you talk? That you must listen to them. Before you know it, they will start telling you that Madam must bow. Somebody who refused to give financial updates, is it not force? That's by force. You refuse to. You are insisting using force. We wasn't the hacker. We so na hack account on the government. Oh no, my question is this: why is it that you don't want to talk about the question that 247, throw to you? He made it clear that you said this. In all your attempt to debunk it, you have not said, no, it is a lie. I did not say that, or it wasn't me, or maybe I made a mistake. You ignore that and say you don't want to, before you fight, you need to choose the fight that you want to fight. Who is fighting who here? The man did not tell you that he think or he dreamt where somebody told him that you told him that Nkere said this. These are something that he said. He quoted what you said to him. He quoted everything verbatim. It is your responsibility to say, okay, this thing that you said about me is a lie. Instead, you focus on finance. Who paid money? If I have collected 1 cent, you 247, you claim that you paid. They paid Nkere paid me $400. I'm not interested on that. Let us go back to the main question. Did he tell you that he want to take over or not? Did he say that? Answer the question. You see, many of you that love Nkere and all that, I'm not even against you. But my own is, can you ask some questions? Let him answer those questions. One, why did he refuse to give financial reports? Why did he insist that success must continue, otherwise he's not going to give financial report or even release the account or government website and account in his position? He refused. Let me move to the community called CRC. You see, whoever that is in charge of that committee is one of the major, in fact, he is number one problem of the whole thing. Why? Because when PM was called for questioning, the same group told them they should okay, we want to re-elect somebody. According to Vision 555. Bring people, submit your file and all that. COS did not submit anything because she felt that it was too sudden. You understand their move and why they are rushing things that point in time. This man claimed that COS called him and begged him not to vote, for them to bring no prime minister. In fact, she wants him to vote against it, against the proposal from CRC. And the guy probably refused, but at the end of it all, maybe they couldn't succeed. That is to tell you that before the convention, Nkere and CRC, the so-called CRC, have actually made an attempt to dethrone PM without streaming it live. Imagine if they have succeeded. The only thing we have here is that after much deliberation, that the cabinet decided to elect new prime minister, not even acting prime minister, new prime minister. Why they decided to flash the one they did on Zoom meeting is to push it in a way to you that when you look at it, you say, oh, they are very, very open and diligent. They have made an attempt in the secret without your consent. They failed, but they believe that bringing it out is to a way of making you to feel that you belong or they carry you along. I hate it when somebody want to use my brain. I hate it so much. That's why no matter what they do, I cannot support them, because it is very clear that what is happening to PM now started from inside. It is from inside. We always know that it started from inside, but we don't know where to lay hands upon. Now you can predict what happened. I saw some of their people on my comment section saying that one of them said that I used to praise PM, that I used to support PM. I was very, very vocal, but now that I know more, that I don't support PM anymore. Then I asked myself a question, because I did not respond to that guy. I asked myself, does it mean that this guy actually believes that Nkere represent the PM structure and everything about PM? Is that what it means? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Because everything that he said or he's doing is contrary to what PM represents. If you don't believe me, go and study who PM is and what PM represents. I hate when a grown-up man like Vision 555, he choose to pretend that he's innocent of all these things. I'm not here to tell you that he is or he's not. But as long as he refuses to answer those questions that matters to the difference, this is not about you and Ugo. It's about you telling the difference what you really represent or who you are. It is very clear now. In case maybe you have been doubting and you don't believe, you don't think that it is possible, that the agenda is to take PM away and plant Nkere. CRC, if they actually mean good, what they should have done, knowing fully well that the state at the moment, the state that Biafran are at the moment is somehow fragile. You don't need to throw door open for anybody to apply. You guys are elderly people. You should predict who is capable based on the situation at hand, not because of who is more richer. Somebody who is willing to lead and who has the quality to lead. Quality of leadership is not about how much money you have, how much money you can give, and all that. I don't want to talk about money because there's a lot of information. There's a lot of claims that I don't have the strength to go through it at the moment. The only thing I want you to understand, to know in this video, is that they lied to you when they said COS dissolved the cabinet too soon, that you should have waited. But the same people have made an attempt as far back as 23rd of November. That memo from CRC telling them to get ready, submit your file if you want to lead, is a sabotage. Because PM is not even here, right? But he's not dead. But based on the fact that they know where PM is and what they have done to put him there, they insisted that they need to elect a new person. For them to make that move, simply they know the gravity of the situation that PM finds himself, or they push him into. I just pray that this thing is just I just pray that that I'm dreaming. Let it not be what I'm thinking. But if it is what I'm thinking, believe it or not, you guys will never leave Biafra. Never ever. I'm telling you. Because the message is sinking now in the minds and the brain of the Biafrans. It's going to spread like a wildfire. When Sonny Agbarawa was busy telling people that PM is on national duty, they were submitting file on how to elect a new prime minister. Can you imagine? Can you beat that? Can you? You don't mean it. Can you just imagine? These are people that are telling you that they are the right channel, they are the right track. That innocent man, Nkere, honest man. You cannot eat your cake and have it. You decided to go this way. I have more to say when we're going to stream live, because definitely we're going to touch this for good. We are going to repeat it again. I just want to react on it quick one and to remind you like I said, even if you don't understand another thing in this video, know that they lied to you when they said COS dissolved cabinet so soon, because they have started planning on that. It was even COS that stopped them. You don't know the battle that she faced, because she already know the danger ahead. That's why she decided to call and plead on this guy to vote against it, which he turned her down, and this is how the whole thing landed. Now it is getting clear why CS said that declaring Biafra on 29 is all about security reasons, because they were so desperate. They are still desperate at the moment. I was told also that I think even Remedios confirmed it also in his recent video, that one of them is now using egg, declaring when Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tell me what you think about this revelation, and more revelation are still on the way, because that video of Vision 555, we must play it, and that will give us more chance to react on it properly. And God bless you. Take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.